Hello, crafty friends. I'm coming in with a new design team project for Eyelet Outlet and Brad Store. So let me share with you what I used from their store. So the first thing is right here, these square jewels, and they are red and green bling. So I will have all these links down below for you in the description box so that you can check it out, as well as for my free Halloween cutting files, okay, which they are Halloween sentiments, and I'll show you that in just a minute. And the second thing is these really super cute stitched flower brads, and this is for fall. That's what it says, and they're super adorable. The next one up is the glitter enamel dots, and I use the black ones, which I really love these a lot, as well as the jewel bling strips. And what I loved about these is that the whole string is separate from all of them, right? So I could just cut right down there and, you know, use as much or as little as I want or need, and I really love that fact. So anyway, let me get into what else I used for this project so that if you decide you want to make this, you can. And I did use a little smidge of this Dollar Tree raffia. I also used this really cute Halloween die. I just used the pumpkin and the little candy pieces. I'm not sure where this die came from. I don't remember. But anyway, I love it. And I also used the girl gnome die from Jaded Blossom. Isn't this adorable? So the pieces that I used were pretty much the hat, the base, the hair right here with kind of like the little, they're not picked, well, they're kind of like pigtails, the little bows, and of course the dress and the nose, hands, and feet. So I thought this was a lot of fun, and I can't wait to make another one really soon. I also used the Canson, the Canson Pastel Earth Color Paper Pad. This is 96 pound, and it is 9 by 12. You get 24 sheets. And these are fabulous for making your dolls or your gingerbread, especially your gingerbread. Look at all these colors. Love it. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. I'll have the links down below for that as well. And so I also used this glossy 8.5 by 11 sticker paper, which it was easy to use, except that when I purchased my Cricut 3, they did give me a little sample of this Cricut transfer paper, and since this is glossy, for some reason, it just took all the glossy off. So, you know, at this point, I'm not sure if it's just this or it's this stickers. So if you are creating, you know, things that you need to use a lot of stickers for and then transfer it onto something, it would be really important that you would be able to use this transfer paper. So I'm not sure if I'll have to find another brand. But anyway, that's enough of that. Let's get into what I made, because I think you're going to love it. I love the Sanderson sisters, and I thought I would come up with a Sanderson Sisters gnome. Isn't she cute? She's just so adorable. And here is where I used the stitch flower. Love that. I also used the square green bling right here on her little dress. I don't think she had any bling on her dress in the image that I was looking at, but I just thought it was super cute. I also noticed that she has a mole on her upper lip, but since gnomes don't have lips on them, I thought I would just go ahead and put it on her nose to make her look super witchy. I also used my black Sakura Jelly Roll pen, and this is a 06, and I used that just to highlight the little folds in her hat. I also used some black dye ink to kind of give her kind of like that dirty feet, dirty hands look, you know, kind of make her look a little spookier. And I used it also on this little pumpkin. I did add a little bit of twine on the back to make it look like a candy bucket. For the spatula, I did take off the end of the spatula And then I added on these little strips to make it a broom. I also used my Stampin' Up! Orange ribbon to kind of emphasize that it is a broom. So I did do a lot of layering with some foam dots. I mean, not too much or anything. So I did, you know, foam dots underneath this, the nose, etc. But you guys kind of get the idea. And then I also used the Jewel Bling in purple. So here's where I did a little Scully pattern with the glossy stickers. And again, it did, when I was peeling it back, it was really difficult to peel back that transfer paper. And yeah, it took me quite a bit to get it off without ripping up my little Scullys that I spent time cutting out and then weeding. So anyway, I hope you all love it. I think it's super adorable. Here are the little candy pieces from that pumpkin die, and this is one of the free cutting files that I'm going to include for you. So I will have a link for the Halloween 2022 sentiments that I made for you all in the blog post. Okay, so you'll be able to get that link there, so I'll have that down below for you as well. And again, we have Sarah Sanderson. I made one for Sarah Sanderson, Mary Sanderson, and of course Winifred. I love Winifred. And then also the Happy Halloween, and I want to let you know that I created this one connecting. I believe I also have one where the words are separate so that you have that option to, you know, move it around on the paper, whatever you want to do. And I also have, this is a separate Hocus Pocus right here, but I do have one that's connecting as well, just in case you wanted to try that out. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for the quick process video, okay? Bye. just loving how this card turned out. I think it is so precious. Guys, don't forget to visit the Eyelet Outlet Store. And again, I will have the links down below in the description box for the free files. And also you can visit my Facebook group. But give me a couple days to get that done for you. And I will be seeing you all soon with my next project. Bye.